Okay, my friends, so it's pretty clear that the coffee temperatures are going down while the time is going up. What I want to do in this mess around column is just, well, mess around and also try to see mathematically if we can figure out how they're going down. I'm going to start fairly straightforwardly, I think. I'm going to use this column to represent the differences of successive 5-minute intervals. That might sound a little bit weird. Let me just show you what I mean. So I'm going to skip this first space here. I'm going to go to this space here. What's that? G6. And I'm going to type equals, and then I'm going to click on the 163.2, and I'm going to go minus 182.7. And I'm going to press enter. And that's going to tell me that that's a difference of 19.4 degrees. And the negative sign means it got cooler. So it lost 19.4 degrees Fahrenheit from 0 minutes to 5 minutes. So in that first 5 minutes. I'm going to hit the checkbox next. And that's good. I don't know if you get the autofill. I got the autofill, which is kind of cool. And then I'm going to watch it as it goes, as the temperatures go down. Now, they're all negative, which makes me happy. And it does make me happy because the coffee is getting cooler. But they're all over the place, right? The first two temperature drops were really high. And then they start getting, the drops are smaller as they go down. These are getting pretty close to zero. Actually, this is telling us something. If we subtract two temperatures, and then we copy that down and keep subtracting two temperatures and two temperatures and two temperatures. And if that difference is changing, but the time increments are not, that means the data is not linear. I'm going to say that again, because that was a mouthful. If we're subtracting successive temperatures in 5-minute intervals, and the numbers that we're getting are not the same, that means the coffee is cooling more slowly as time goes on, which I think makes sense because take a look at the data. It doesn't look linear. It's definitely a curve. I think what we're going to have you do in the next problem is goof around with the mess around column a little bit more with some different mathematics besides just subtraction. We're still going to have you look at pairs of data, the data that are next to each other, but not through subtraction. Maybe through something else. Let's do that next.